So my everyday carry,
Yeah.
Scuba Paraffin,
Oh, he's over on the other side of.
reinforced
Shit, yeah, but there's only we can only go this way.
blade. I think I made it pretty good. But one thing I like
How
about
do you
it
put turbo boost on?
is, do you see the serrates? The serrated part of it, I love them.
I tried it, it didn't work.
Cool.
No. Control F5.
Those
Try
are good
Control
to
F5.
saw stuff in half. And I have one more thing. If you want to
hey, fix that clip, Dredd.
have some scratches on it.
Somebody clipped, I don't know which one he clipped, but he clipped one of them.
I like this. It's like extremely light too. So that's it for the Gobo
Oh, you're smoking.
Paraffin.
He's smoking.
And here's my slingshot. I made it from the 17 rubber bands and cardboard and
markers.
It's actually pretty strong. I will show you. So I need to find a spot to put you guys. Well, you fit right here. Can you guys see me? Okay. Look at this drawback.
Oh, you're on fire.
This is a strong slingshot.
We're coming.
You can't shoot a pen and it will shoot straight through a styrofoam cup. And I shot some at a Chick-fil-A cup with this thing.
Oh, what? You
This has crumpled and rubber band, but it has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 on each side, maybe 6 on the side.
Switch.
Yeah, but this thing is strong.
Control 1.
I made this little padded thing from to put the ropes in
that was the most fun I had in this game at all.
The ropes together. It's a pretty strong shooter.
Yeah, here. While you're driving, I'll go to.
I do not bring my Gobo pocket knife to school, as you should know. But I kind of do bring my slingshot to school. Sometimes I will get onto a fight on the bus, and I will have to use this to defend myself. See ya. Bye. Remember to subscribe and like to the channel. Bye.
Al.